Hello everyone, this is Vance from Shenzhen Refined Color Technology Limited. And now we have some promotion discount for the Super September, which you can get $200 discount for A2 size UV printer. And these are accessories of the printer, which you will get the UV ink, 5 colors UV ink. And this bottle, the volume of this bottle is 500 milliliters. So we got 5 colors UV ink, and this is a cleaning liquid. So also 500 milliliters. And also the printer will come with the printer software, which is in this USB drivers. So when you receive the printer, just need to install the program in your laptop or computer. So these are accessories of the printer, which you get the USB cable, which is to connect your laptop with the printer, and also the power line, the screwdrivers, and the injector. We also have some promotion gift, which is the sunglasses will come with the printer if you place order in September. Thank you so much.